Hi there. In this SuperHero AI review, I'm going to show you a brand new AI platform that gives you every digital superpower you've ever dreamed of. From creating 4K images, human-like voiceovers, and content to building chatbots, websites, and more. All from one dashboard. No coding, no subscriptions, just results. Stick around, because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with 6 years in this game. I create no-fluff reviews to help you discover tools that actually work and boost your online income. So if that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on my next review or bonus drops. Oh, and before we dive in, I've lined up exclusive bonuses for action takers. If you decide to grab SuperHero AI through my link below, you'll unlock extra tools, templates, and done-for-you resources to help you profit faster. Check the description. Don't miss it. What is SuperHero AI? SuperHero AI is an all-in-one AI command center that gives you access to the most powerful AI models on Earth, like GPT-4o, Gemini, DeepSeek V3, and DALL-E 3 HD, to help you create, automate, and sell digital content with just a few clicks. You can use it to create and sell 4K/8K AI images, generate ultra-realistic voiceovers in 50+ languages, write high-converting sales copy, ads, emails, and more, summarize and chat with PDFs or URLs, build Chrome extensions, websites, chatbots, and tools, create viral content for social media, and even launch your own AI-powered business. Best part? You pay once, no monthly fees, and you're in for life. What's cool about SuperHero AI? You don't need any experience or tech skills. SuperHero AI is made for beginners and creators who want fast results, without juggling 10 different subscriptions or wasting time on clunky tools. Here are the standout features that grabbed my attention. Cinematic 4K/8K image generator. Generate jaw-dropping, studio-quality visuals with effects, avatars, and voiceovers. Voice Morph AI. Create realistic voiceovers in seconds, powered by GPT-4o TTS. File Chat and MindLink AI. Upload PDFs, DOCS, or URLs and chat with them instantly. Custom AI assistants. Build your own branded bots for support, sales, or education. Social media creator. Generate scroll-stopping posts, thumbnails, and hashtags for TikTok, Shorts, IG, and more. Real-time internet data. Pull live search results, trends, and facts for content or research. Multi-mind AI mode. Access GPT-4o, Claude, Grok, Gemini, and DeepSeek from one place. Live voice commands. Talk to SuperHero AI like Alexa and get instant voice responses. How it works? It's insanely easy. Step 1. Log in to the cloud-based dashboard. Step 2. Pick your superpower. Images, voice, content, chat, whatever you need. Step 3. Enter a simple prompt or upload a file, then hit Generate. Boom! You're done. No complicated settings, just smart automation that works. Let's roll a quick demo to show you SuperHero AI in action.
Hey there, stop! Imagine if in minutes from now you could get access to all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs like Kling AI Pro, Lexica, iPro, Hugging Face Pro, 11 Labs, AI Pro, Adobe Firefly 3, Pro OpenAI O1 Pro, Claude iPro, NVIDIA, iPro Photoshop iPro in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm, and marketers and business owners around the globe are now totally dependent on the world's leading AIs for their marketing and business growth. Wondering why? Well, that is simply because these top-notch AI apps create images, graphics, videos, copywriting, and more all faster and more accurately than humans could ever dream. And the best part? These top AI apps let you skip all the hassles of creating world-class AI contents by yourself while saving you time. In other words, the world's top leading AI apps is the new game changer in the online industry. But here is the problem. These world's best AI app collections is not free. It comes at a premium monthly price, which will leave you feeling like you have just been hit by a financial tsunami. Let's face it, these top-tier AI apps don't come cheap. Klingai Pro costs $35 monthly for generating ultra-realistic 4K AI videos. Lexica AI Pro costs $29 monthly for creating high-definition AI images. Hugging Face Pro charges $69 monthly to create engaging hugging videos, images, and more. 11 Labs AI Pro costs $79 monthly for voice synthesis that sounds truly human-like. NVIDIA AI Pro costs $99 monthly. Hagen Pro is $89 monthly to create lifelike talking avatars. And Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, that's a whopping $97 monthly just to access its groundbreaking design capabilities. When you add them up, you're looking at an annual cost of over $14,000. But what if there was a better way, where you get access to all these world's leading most advanced AI apps in a single dashboard without spending a dime? Introducing 1. AI 2.0. A game-changer AI app collection that gives you access to the world's best AIs, like Klingai Pro, 11 Labs AI Pro, NVIDIA AI Pro, Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, and much more in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. But here's where it gets even better. 1i 2.0 lets you launch your own all-in-one subscription AI platform and charge clients any price you want. Finally, this groundbreaking tool is pushing the limits of human intelligence and revolutionizing marketing and business like never before. Well, this revolutionary and most advanced premium collection of AI apps allows you to Klingai Pro, instantly generate intelligent responses and AI-driven insights. Lexica AI Pro, craft HD images and artistic visuals in seconds. Hugging Face Pro, build sophisticated hugging face images, videos, and models with ease. 11 Labs AI Pro, generate lifelike voiceovers in various tones and accents. NVIDIA AI Pro, produce visuals and data analyses using cutting-edge AI models. Hagen Pro, make talking avatars that captivate and engage your audience. Ideogram AI Pro, design stunning typography and graphics effortlessly. FluxPoint 1 Pro, generate real-time motion graphics for social media or ads. Runway ML Pro, transform text into HD images and animations. Notion AI Pro, get AI-powered notes, writing, and project management tools. Pika AI Pro, turn text to ultra-realistic AI images. Perplexity AI Pro, develop custom AI assistants for Q&A and research. Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, design 8K AI images within seconds. Claude AI Pro, generate insightful AI-driven ideas and strategies. Playground AI Pro, create interactive, user-friendly AI experiences. Synthesia AI Pro, craft personalized video content in minutes. Photoshop AI Pro, edit images with AI-powered precision. And the best part is that you can get all this done from a single dashboard with a single keyword in less than 2 minutes and without paying a single dime. Finally, this next-gen futuristic all-in-one app lets you fire all your expensive AI image and video designers, cancel all your expensive AI tools and services, and access the world's leading AIs from a single dashboard with no monthly fees. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI app collection while generating non-stop commissions and sales like never before. Now with 1A 2.0, you can start your very own AI image and video creation agency and charge anything, craft and sell. High converting AI marketing materials for maximum profits. And start your very own monthly subscription-based AI app and charge people for using it. And that's not all. 1i 2.0 comes with commercial rights. giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality arts, images, and videos to your audience. Well, One Eye 2.0 is the new age A revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Access. Grab a copy of One Eye 2.0 to access all the world's leading AIs in a single dashboard. Step 2. Create world-class AI content, marketing materials, or anything you desire in just 60 seconds. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing materials and content to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to One AI 2.0 just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then, do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of One A 2.0 at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
Meet the most powerful AI platform ever assembled, SuperHero AI. A single dashboard, a full army of intelligent tools at your command. No learning curve, no waiting. Inside, you're not just getting access to AI, you're unlocking your very own digital command center. Equipped with tools for writing, designing, speaking, coding, and automating everything in your online business. From high-converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in minutes. SuperHero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital warriors who demand more. Need help with research, writing, ads, branding, SEO, or scripting? SuperHero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you'll be commanding the most advanced AI models in the world: GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more being added regularly. Want visuals? Turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E 3 HD. No design skills needed. Just type, click, and create. Need voiceovers? Just type a few words and generate studio-quality voices in over 50 global languages, including accents and emotions. Want to read a PDF? Extract insights from a link? Or understand what's inside an image? Just drop it into SuperHero AI, and it responds like a genius. And when you're ready to go hands-free, activate the automation reactor, schedule your content, bulk create videos, voiceovers, and social posts. Auto-publish to your platforms. Let AI work in the background while you sleep. This isn't just another AI app. This is SuperHero AI, your all-in-one plug-and-play system to write, design, build, sell, and scale faster than ever before. No monthly fees, no overwhelm, no experience required. Just raw AI power at your fingertips, ready when you are. Ready to unlock your superpowers? Click below and activate SuperHero AI now.
SuperHero AI Upgrades, OTOs. Now, after you grab the main version, here's what you'll see in the funnel. Upgrade 1. Pro version, unlock extra features, remove limits, and boost speed. Upgrade 2. Premium voices and languages, more voice styles, accents, and advanced tones. Upgrade 3 DFY package, let the team set up everything for you. Upgrade 4. Video creation plus voice tools. Perfect if you want to make videos. Upgrade 5. Graphics plus eCover bundle. Create stunning visuals effortlessly. Upgrade 6. Chrome plugin builder. Build and sell Chrome extensions. Upgrade 7. Reseller rights. Get full rights and sell SuperHero AI as your own. Upgrade 8. Elite Edition. Lifetime unlimited access to all features. Pro tip, I recommend upgrade 1 plus 8 for maximum value. What I like about SuperHero AI, it's beginner-friendly, no learning curve. It replaces dozens of expensive tools, saving you $1,200 plus per month. You can start a full-blown service business, image creation, voiceovers, copywriting, coding, all from one dashboard. The content quality is top tier, perfect for clients, social media, or your own products. What could be improved? Like I always say, no tool is magic. You still need to apply effort and know your audience to succeed. If you need ultra-custom software development, this won't replace a full-stack developer, but it's more than enough for 99% of marketers and creators. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful, beginner-friendly tool that can automate content creation, boost productivity, and give you a full AI toolkit, SuperHero AI is 100% worth it. Pay once, own for life. Get commercial rights included. Replace all your other AI subscriptions. Get bonuses that make it even more profitable. Use my link below to grab SuperHero AI Plus, get access to my exclusive Tested Apps Bonus Vault, which includes DFY affiliate funnels, my personal ChatGPT prompt vault, ready-to-use content scripts for YouTube, blog, and email, 10x Productivity AI Toolkit, private training on how I made over $10,000 with AI tools. Thanks for watching my SuperHero AI review. Let me know in the comments. What feature are you most excited about? And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and smart money-making strategies. See you in the next one. Kamal signing off from testedapps.com.